In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a EBT card to Doordash. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the Doordash application. Then you want to go to the bottom menu and select on the option that does say me. It is then going to bring you to your profile. From here, we need to go ahead and select on settings. Then we need to go ahead and scroll down until we see payment methods, which is right over here. And once you're underneath payment methods, you want to go ahead and look under program cards, and you'll notice that Snap/EBT card will actually be an option. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on that. And now what you want to do is you want to take your EBT card and you want to look at the card number. Then you want to go ahead and enter the card number inside of the Doordash application. And from there, you actually are able to go ahead and add your EBT card as a payment method. And it is basically going to be like a card on Doordash, which you guys could use in order to fulfill payments and stuff like that. But keep in mind, not everything is eligible for you to actually use your EBT card as a method of payment. So please keep that in mind, and it will typically tell you when you are allowed to actually use EBT as a form of payment. And whenever you guys try to go ahead and purchase like groceries or food, then you guys will actually get the option to use your EBT card in order to actually pay it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.